Hi guys, we have another Dollar Tree haul. This is a big bag. Dollar Tree it is. I didn't shop in the city though, because in the city they don't give you bags. So I was outside the city for this one. So let's get started with the smaller bag. These were actually, there was an idea for these. I may not use them. I don't know yet. I wish there was a timer for these. So if you know anywhere where I can get these on a timer, that'd be perfect, because I want to actually hang these up. But I don't want to have to keep constantly turning them off, if that makes any sense. Unless I buy some and change them out. But anyways, look at this. Isn't this the cutest? Look at that. I'll give you a better view. So this is in silver. They're all different colors, because the Dollar Tree I went to, I found them. See, they have them in gold, but they're different lights inside. So this is a warm, and I probably could change these out. The reason why I could tell you I probably can, and I think I can. So I got the gold ones. They have a warm. The silver ones have a bright LED light. Let me put these down. And then, so when I was buying these, here's a black one. But I figured I can paint these all to be the same color. I'm missing one, actually. So I found these, and they didn't have anything in them. There was no lights. Somebody must have taken the lights out or put the lights somewhere else, because this one, I found the lights, and I shoved it back in there. But as you can see, this is what the light looks like. And she sold me, there was 2 of them. I don't know where the other one's at. But I bought 2 of these for 25 cents. Because it's just a light bulb, but they're plastic. And it has a little shade. But I'm going to try to see if I can put these, try to color them. Maybe change the lights in them, maybe. I don't know yet. And hang these up. What do you think? Think that'd be cute? Let me know what you would do with these. Comment down below. Okay, so we have more. Oh, here's the other one. So here's the other one. It's missing the inside piece. And this is, it's a LED hanging lamp. Like I said, you could change the lights out of them. This one didn't come with the lights. So it is what it is. I got them for 25 cents now. So good for me. After all those fairy lights I bought on Temu, this is fine. So you got that. I bought this sign because I saw somebody do a craft with this. And they bought these, did I buy some more? Yes. So what they did is, I bought these. And I saw it on Dollar Tree's website. So they took this sign, they glued these on like a little fence with flowers. They added some greenery on the inside. And then they stuck these little bees, which these are sort of what I bought the bees. See? And this, the ladybugs. And they just put ladybugs and bees on here. And they drew like little clouds on the top, which I may or may not do. I don't know yet. But simple craft idea, just with these 4 things. So I bought 2 of these to make. I bought a round one, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so I bought several actually. So I bought 2 of these, because I haven't decided if I want to make 2 of them. I'll put these on there. And then I have a round one to do the same thing, where you can put the little fencing and then, or do something else. You can do nautical theme. You can do whatever you want, but all you need is some bees, some ladybugs, a cute little fencing. And there was something else that goes with this. Oh, I bought these butterflies because I figured maybe I can put butterflies instead of putting the bees and the ladybugs. I bought these stickers, and they are cute little butterflies. And you could do the same thing. Let me put this down. So you could do the same thing with this. You can add little, I bought fencing on Temu, so that's coming. That's coming. You put little fencing here, put a little greenery or whatever you want, and then you can stick these right on here and have like a little butterfly paradise. You know what I mean? So let me know what you would do with these things. Would you do the same thing? Let me know. Comment down below. So you got that. Told you I was in a whole different crafting section, and YouTube and everywhere, TikTok, and I have not done any of it. Oh, and then I found these cute little Valentine pails. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, you guys, and I just bought this stuff. But anyways, I can either use it for that or I can use it for something else, right? Cute little hearts. I only found one of these and at one Dollar Tree. I didn't find them everywhere else. So go figure. That's why you gotta shop at several different ones. Oh, and I also bought these two stickers because I figured on one of those sets, if I don't use the bees and the ladybug, I can use these stickers. Aren't they cute? Man, I miss crafting. I used to craft a lot. A lot. Then I stopped. I don't know why. Just, I don't know. And then I found these. And I saw somebody craft with these. And I go, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. I gotta make that. They painted these. And then they added, what is this called? This mesh. And they bought like different colors. And they added the mesh here. And it was the cutest thing. They made it with regular. They had, I got the Easter ones because they have the bunnies on the back. And I think I also bought the shamrock ones. I'm not sure, but I seen somebody do the shamrock ones. And I can't remember if I got the Valentine's Day ones. Because I was like, oh, that could do that for Valentine's Day too. Or I even thought of doing them side by side and adding something in the middle with flowers. But anyways, I got two of these. And you got all these ideas. And then I bought this color mesh. I bought white. I bought orange. I bought this white and green one. But I noticed these, like this one here and this one that are by the holiday mesh is different than this one. Like this one, it seems more solid. Oh, I see what it, yeah. This one has better quality, you guys. This one from the Floral Garden. This one has better quality. This, not so much. This one's tightly wound, you can tell. This is loose. This is why I didn't like working with this before. This is more crappy, I guess. So I got these. Let me put these down. Then I also got this pink one, which again seems more, is it pink? Yeah, it's pink. I was gonna say it looks red. No, it's pink. This one seems better quality than the other ones. And then I got another orange one. Well, this one's better quality. I guess it depends. You have to really search in their stuff to see what's what. And I got a gold one. I got another green one. Well, this is a full green one. Like these were good. This feels better. It even feels more, I think it's the edge. It's more firm. You can tell I can't press on it. Whereas with this one, you can squeeze it. And then I got this blue and white one. Yeah, this is better, way better quality, you guys. And then I got another pink one. And these were for that truck with the bunnies in the back. Oh, these I'm gonna set up my table right now. These are for my table. I gotta put these out. And I got more ladybugs. What else? Oh, and I bought these signs just to have them because I only found them at one store. Like I told you, I've been going to different stores. And I only found these in one store. These are the metal words. And it's thankful, harvest, and welcome. I don't think I'm going to use a harvest one. Well, maybe I will. But I'll definitely use the other ones. And they're just little signs. You can paint them and you can put them in your wreaths. Do whatever you want with them. I got those. Oh, I got some more of these. I got some more bees. And I got some more of the fencing. And then I got these. These are, and these they decorated with that little sign as well. The little wheelbarrow, the pots, and the flowers. We got that. Oh, here's the red one. I bought a red one for Valentine's Day, which is like over. I can always use it for Christmas. So then we got these little bumblebees, garlands. You paint them and you can make garland out of them, or you could just separate them and use them with other crafts. So we got that. Got my receipt for fetch, y'all. You need the fetch. That's mail. You don't need to see that. Oh, and then I got some more paintbrushes. I have lots of paintbrushes, but I bought these because I know if I mess, I have some really good paintbrushes. But I bought these to deal with like Mod Podge and just like staining. So if I mess these up, it's not a big deal. And these are just $1.25 each. And then you have your, like, your precision brush and your big brush in that one. Then you have this longer brush and that thicker brush here. I don't even know what, they have names, but I don't know what the names of these are. So I got those. And mail, you don't need to see that unless you want to pay my bill. And, oh, then I bought a B12. Why did I buy a B12? Pink lemonade. Maybe I thought it was like the energy drink. I just grabbed it thinking, ooh, pink lemonade. But that's a B12 shot. And a few more items, and then I think we are done. Then I got this dusk to dawn LED light bulb. I actually use these on my garage. But right now I have 3 sitting on a timer and 1 dusk till dawn because GE stopped making them. Philips, somebody stopped making them. So I found them at found this one at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I figured I'm going to put it on, replace one of those bulbs by my garage. And if it works just as good as my other one that I paid $10 for, this was $1.25, I'll go get some more. And these are great. As soon as it gets dark, the light goes on. You just have to leave your switch on. That's it. But these were great. And like I said, I paid $10 for 1 light bulb for the other ones. And that was $1.25. And then, oh, these are the pots I was talking about. These are the little tiny pots, and I just thought it was too cute. And I'm gonna use these. And there's actually, my tripod is sitting on something, but it's like a little cart. And I think I'm gonna make it like, I don't know if I showed you guys this cart. Maybe I did in a previous video. But I think I'm gonna fill it up with little pots and have like a for sale sign, like flowers for sale or something. I don't know. We'll get that. And then I bought another one of those little fencing things for crafting. And then I bought these, which I don't know what I'll do with them. I hope I got them all in here. 6 piece, yeah, 2 of each. Because they were so easy to open, like they weren't sealed. So these, it says laser cut craft icons. That's what it looks like. And it kind of reminded me of watches. Can you see that? Maybe if I bring it up. It kind of reminded me of a clock. I don't know why. So you see, and there's different ones. They got that one, and then you got those cut. But what would you do with these? You remind me of dollies. The dollies you use for like the table settings or something. Let me know what you do with these. I don't know what to do with them. I just bought them because I thought they were cute. They are $1.25. And I think that's it, you guys. I mean, I have more stuff. But we'll do another video on that. So thank y'all for hanging out with me. Like always, hit subscribe, hit like, and the notification bell so you notified of all my silly videos that I'm having lately. And until next time, I'll see you later.